Alright, I'm a thirsty man. That took about, I don't know, that was a 2.5 hour roughly stress test. I know that because about 15 minutes ago my Art Bell Midnight in the Desert rerun quit on me, so I'm pretty impressed, honestly. I mean, you know, these are just ugly little stick welds. They're good enough though. These things just do great. I'm really impressed. They're still just nice and cold. We're running 532 rod. I figure that duty cycle was somewhere around 60 or 70%. And yeah, they do stellar. I know people kind of like to talk smack about these cheap little Chinese welders, but I'm sure as heck gonna pick up a set of these for myself. I have put a 300 odd sticks of 532 through these now. This is my second set of hangers that I did. And yeah, they just truck right along. They don't overheat. They start real nice. They run real nice. I'm running them off of extension cords plugged inside, just off of 110. And yeah, they're cool. So yeah, if you ever wonder about using these things for real production welding, there you go. I mean, 2.5 hours at roughly, I don't know, 70-ish% duty cycle, and they just don't care. I was welding a little more in another piece of metal too, but here's the one I have to show right now. I brought those arc captains home and played with them a little bit. I was able to run them just like I was running them for the mine shaft hangers, but off of two 20-amp circuits just out of my house. So yeah, it's totally doable. They work great. I'm really impressed.